Hello everyone, welcome to Tactim. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to hide photos and videos in your Android phone. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Tactim. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your phone gallery. Now select your picture. From here, you can select your picture and videos. Then click on three dots. Here you can see the option of hide. Press on this. Press on hide. That's it. So this is how to hide photos and videos in your Android phone. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.